We have to fight for our rights. That's why what you saw.
Kaninang umaga pa po kayo nandito?
Oo.
Ilan taon na po kayo?
111.
111?
Yes. I am a volunteer worker of Kapwa Kumahalko since the time of Rosa Rosal.
Mag-isa lang po kayo ngayon na yun?
Yes, I'm alone. I've been standing there under the heat of the sun just to prove how hopeless we are here now. Talagang trillion ang ninanakaw. Parang hopeless case na ang Pilipino.
Ano po yung inaasahan nyo or hiling nyo na maging tugon ng gobyerno after nitong malawakang rally?
I hope the Lord will punish the guilty. Stop corrupting the people. Stop stealing. If you only give back what you have stolen, there will be no more poor people.